Good morning. Welcome to Leveling Up with Jonathan, a podcast where we love learning about business, productivity, and technology, where we learn one tip so that we can level up today. Today, I have a very exciting story. I've been wanting to tell this story for a little while, so it's like super stoked. And I have visuals at the very end, visuals plus a Notion template that I will demo and screen share so you will see. I just don't want that to get in the way of like the story first, because the story is like super fun. This is a story of how my 70-year-old mom, she's going to be turning 70, so almost happy birthday to her, of how my 70-year-old mom used Notion to buy the car of her dreams, a Tesla, in 24 hours. Oh, that's so excited for the story. So our story takes place on a Sunday night where my mom, who's been car shopping for weeks and weeks and weeks, looking at many different models, started looking at Lexuses and then Mercedes, and then didn't like she wanted a convertible, but she couldn't find, none of them were like reliable, and she like, so none of them fit her specific criteria. And so Sunday night she was frustrated at a car lot, and she looks over in the corner and she sees a Tesla. And so she gets fascinated with the Tesla. She comes home and says, John, I want a Tesla. So she's super excited. So she has her focus. She has her goal. She wants that more than anything else in the world. So she sits down, super excited, pulls out her laptop, pulls out her trusted pen and paper, notepad, and begins to start searching online, start comparison shopping, starting to look up for all the Tesla Model 3s in the whole market, trying to find out where's the best deals, what's in the market, where's my deal now. She's looking for her dream car. And so she starts scribbling everything on the piece of paper, and she starts taking all her notes on the pen and paper. But then she finds it becomes frustrated. She gets extremely frustrated when she has to, we actually go here and then here. She gets extremely frustrated when she has to start referencing her notes, and they start calling and texting her, hey, yeah, we have this car. Oh, which number are you from which website, from which car service? And then all the websites, she starts getting like frustrated and like overwhelmed. She can't match what's on the website with what's on her pen and paper. And then she goes to bed like completely frustrated that she's unable to find the car of her dreams. And then she remembers. She has a breakthrough. She goes, wait a minute. John taught me Notion, and he has a Notion template, and he says it's good for organizing. He uses it to organize all his notes. So maybe I could use it to organize my car search. And so she pulls out, she goes into her Notion account, pulls out a Notion template that I gave her, and she starts organizing all the car notes. And so she wakes up that morning, Monday morning, completely excited, going, John, come here. Pulls out her laptop and shows me. And she shows me her Kanban, or her list. And she technically showed me her list of all the opportunities that of Teslas that she saw in the market. She knew exactly which one. This one from this website, this one's texting, this one has high mileage. She knew exactly all the opportunities. She dumped her pen and paper notes and used Notion to completely stay organized. And so Monday she began her search, and she went to each and every one of those car dealers and talked to them, tested it. And Monday night, she signed the papers for her new Tesla car. And in 24 hours, she used Notion to organize, find the best deal, and buy the car of her dreams. It was such a good deal that with her trade in value and a small loan, she'll get the car for like 20 grand, which is like, but that's crucial, because the main thing is, had she not had Notion, let's see if we go back to my talk. Yeah, there we go. Had she not had Notion to organize her notes, she would have missed the opportunity of a lifetime within 24 hours. The deal was around the corner waiting for her, and she would have missed it had she not stayed organized in today's digital world using digital notes. Now, it doesn't matter if you use Notion, Notes, or any other note-taking app. The app really doesn't matter. But what's more important is that if you're using pen and paper to take physical notes, In today's digital world, you're losing out on lots of opportunities. And I don't want you to miss out on any opportunities like that. I want you to be like my mom, where it doesn't matter your age, your background, if you're a techie, you can use this template to comparison shop to find the deal that you're looking for, whether it be a house, a car. I was going to say job, but I'm going to do another job template because I have a gnarly job searching template that thing's gnarly. But I really want to focus on this template here. Oh, yeah, well, you can see I'm using ClickUp to organize my content. But here is a template that you can use to comparison shop all the different Teslas or even anything that you're searching for, which ones you're interested in for, which ones you're going to test drive, which ones you're going to negotiate, which one you rejected. You can even keep in details like, oh, I like the price and color. And then there's the link that you could take that takes you right to the website, so you know exactly what link that came from. And then even let's say you're searching online, you're like, yeah, you come across this opportunity, you're like, I like this. You can only do this in Chrome, you can only do this in Notion. You could be like, yeah, one click, just go to the Notion Chrome extension, save it to my car list, and click save. Bam. And I go back to my list, and there it is, saved with the website URL. That if I click that right there, takes me back to that same website. So of all the websites and tabs, so you don't have to get overwhelmed with all the tabs. And then you could click, you have details, stages, notes. So you know, you could write notes of which ones you like the deals for, which ones you don't. All of this so you could comparison shop, so you could find exactly what you want. And if you like a template like that, you could download the template using the link below. So you can use this Notion template, which comes with the Notion template that you see. It comes with a video tutorial of how to use it, how to customize it, also how to install the Chrome extension so you can quickly add stuff from the web into it. And then it also comes with customer support and then exclusive access to my tribe, which I invite you, of other ambitious people who love productivity, love leveling up, love workflow management, and just doing things more productive. Because at the end of the day, it's really doing stuff like that that's really 10xing your life, which I love. My mom used it to find the opportunity of her dreams in 24 hours, which I think is magical. Anyways, thank you for listening to Leveling Up today. I hope you have a blessed day. And if you want to use the Notion template, you can use the link below so that you add it to your Notion template and you can level up your life starting today. Hope you have a great day. Bye-bye.